All right, Michelle, cookies and cake, fatty, greasy foods. What's the deal?
I had a girl ask me or tell me that she is craving cakes and cookies all the time and what to do instead. So for me, that means you are just craving the sugary part of the cakes and cookies. So I have a recipe for a cake. It's only 3 ingredients. I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's using a microwave. So you don't need a cake tin, you don't need an oven, you don't need any special ingredients.
Easy to do.
Yeah, so it's self-raising flour, sugar, and tap water.
Wow.
That's it. And I'm going to show you how it works. If you don't have self-raising flour is just plain flour and baking powder. Okay, so it might be 4 ingredients for you, but you can get it as just self-raising flour. Okay, what you're gonna do is, there's no measurements for this, by the way. Pour in how much flour you want into a bowl, a porcelain bowl, glass bowl, something that can go in the microwave, not a metal bowl. Okay, pour in that, add in your sugar, lots of sugar. Okay, I add a lot of sugar, but remember, you can always add more at the end. Maybe you might make like a syrup or add maple syrup on top. Okay, add in your sugar, and then under the tap, add your water. Okay, and mix it until it's like not too thick or not too runny. Okay, it's kind of like pancake consistency. Mix it up until the flour, there's no more, like it's all mixed through, but don't over mix it, you know, because it is a cake. Okay, then you're gonna put it in the microwave, depending on how big it is. I'm not making a massive cake, it's a normal cake, you can just make more. Okay, usually it's like 2 minutes, but keep an eye on it. You can open it after like 1 minute 30 seconds and then see that it's literally a cake. It's like a white cake and it's hard. It's cake, okay?
Nullable white cake.
Yeah, you stick your fork inside and you pull it out and you see that it's clean. It's literally a cake. Okay, so this is my cake recipe. I've done this so many times. It's kind of like a pancake too, but without the burnt pancake and the oil on the pan.
Yeah.
It's right in the microwave. And I know that a lot of people are scared of microwaves. There's no need to be scared of microwaves. Microwaves is using microwaves to cook your food.
But why would you have this cake versus another cake?
Because this has no added oil. It's just a straight up sugar and the starches from the flour. Okay.
Because the fat we eat is the fat we wear. So the problem with cakes and cookies, they're too fatty. You got too much fat in there, yeah?
The commercial cakes, they have the added vegetable oil, margarine, butter. Okay?
Lard, yeah.
Yeah. This is
Shortening.
just straight up, it's not dry. Trust me, it's not dry. It's so good. It hits a spot. You can change it up with different flavors of sugar.
So it's a low fat cake, so you can still keep your slim
fat.
stomach.
Yeah, no added oil. Just water, flour, sugar.
Very good.
And if it's not sweet enough for you, maybe it's your first time making it. I'm adding tablespoons of sugar, okay? It's not sweet enough. Make a little sugar syrup with water, or add in your rice syrup, maple syrup, date syrup, anything like that. Maybe icing like straight up sugar, and what else is icing? Water.
Lemon juice.
Yeah, lemon juice. Yeah, so you can customize it, add your fruits, but don't add any like fat cream or something.
Yeah, some people do it. People think, carbohydrates are bad because I get fat when I eat cookies. It's like the fat in the cookies, not the sugar.
Yeah, so you can even do cinnamon sugar. I just thought of that. Cinnamon and sugar, like a cinnamon roll. Just top it up, eat it, so good.
All right, let's do it. Thank you. It's the one if you don't have a microwave. You're a homeless person like you are. How do you make the cake?
Just use bread, white bread, soft white bread, or any bread that you like. Okay, it's gonna give you that bready, doughy, donutty, cakey consistency, texture that you want.
Where the extra fats? Yeah. And then without the extra fat from the donuts?
Extra fat, exactly. And then you can add the same, your favorite syrups, fat-free, could be chocolate syrup, fat-free chocolate syrup, date syrup, all your syrups. It could be a vegan, plant-based condensed milk. That's what I liked to do for a while. Yeah, just add in whatever flavor it is, just the fat-free versions.
Easy.
So bread is a good carrier, good donut, bread donut.
Well, without the donut grease.
Yeah, without the frying.
So the secret is people with a low fat helps reduce insulin resistance. Okay. Bingo. It's the one if you don't have a microwave. You're a homeless person like you are. How do you make the cake?
Just use bread, white bread, soft white bread, or any bread that you like. Okay, it's gonna give you that bready, doughy, donutty, cakey consistency, texture that you want.
Where the extra fats? Yeah. And then what do you, and without the extra fat from the
without
donuts?
extra fat, exactly. And then you can add the same, your favorite syrups, fat-free, could be chocolate syrup, fat-free chocolate syrup, date syrup, all your syrups. It could be a vegan, plant-based condensed milk. That's what I liked to do for a while. Yeah, just add in whatever flavor it is, just the fat-free versions.
Easy.
So bread is a good carrier, good donut, bread donut.
Well, without the donut grease.
Yeah, without the frying.
So the secret is, people, the low fat helps reduce insulin resistance. Okay. Bingo.